Hello friend, welcome back to MiniCooper Garage. This 2006 MiniCooper got a new clutch yesterday. I finished the job in the evening and I hopped in it. It works great, right? The clutch feels awesome. It's very nice and soft. The pedal was really hard before, now it's soft and it beautifully engages somewhere in the middle of the action of the pedal. So one might think, finally it's fixed and let's go and race it and drive it hard and enjoy it, right? I know the way the Mini looks, it definitely encourages that behavior, but the bad news is that new clutch really requires break-in period. It's similar like when you have a brand new engine. If you will start driving it immediately hard, the clutch will stop working really soon. And the rule of thumb here is approximately 500 miles of careful or let's say regular city driving. It will not work if you will think, oh, I will do the trip, 500-mile trip on the highway where you will be entire time in the fifth gear and that will break in the clutch. It won't. And that's basically the reason why I'm filming it. I want to make sure that anybody who will change the clutch by themselves, or you will pay somebody else, right, the service, I'm trying to make sure that you understand there has to be that break-in period and the vehicle cannot be raced and driven hard. And that's all from me in this video. Please make sure you are subscribed because I will always have more videos coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, my friend, and have a wonderful day.